Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some problems based on eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Problem first is this: find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A. To solve the problem, first of all, we evaluate the eigenvalues. To evaluate the eigenvalues, we write the characteristics equations. Therefore, the characteristic equation of the given matrix A is given by this is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Here lambda is a scalar and I is a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. Here A is 5, 4, 1, 2. Therefore, this characteristic equation can be written as, here A is this minus lambda I. Therefore, this can be written as determinant of A, this is 5 minus lambda, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2 minus lambda equals to 0. After solving this determinant, we have this is 5 minus lambda, this is 2 minus lambda minus 4 equals to 0. This equals to 10 minus 5 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 4 equal to 0. Solving this equation, we have this is lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. After factorizing, we have lambda minus 6 into lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore lambda equal to 6 and lambda equal to 1. Hence lambda equal to 6 and lambda equal to 1 are the required eigenvalues of the given square matrix A. Now we find the required corresponding eigenvectors. First of all, we find the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equal to 6. So eigenvector, suppose it is x1 corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equal to 6. To evaluate the eigenvector, we have A minus, this is A minus lambda I x equals to 0. Here lambda is 6. Therefore, this can be written as, this is determinant of, this is matrix of A is, here A is 5, this is 5 minus 6, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2 minus 6, here x is x1, x2 equals to, this is 0, 0. After solving this relation, we have this can be written as minus 1, 4, 1, this is minus 4, x1, x2 equals to, this is 0, 0. After solving these relations, we have this is minus x1 plus 4x2 equal to 0, or this is plus x1 minus 4x2 equal to 0. These are the homogeneous equations. On solving these equations, we have x1 upon 4 equals to x2 equal to 1. This is suppose k, where k is an arbitrary number. So therefore x1 equals to 4k and x2 equal to k. Hence the required eigenvector x1 for the corresponding eigenvalue lambda equal to 6 is given by x1 is, this is 4k upon k. If you are putting k equal to 1, therefore x1 equal to 4, 1, or suppose you are putting k equal to 2, and so on. Similarly, we can find the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equals to 1. Eigenvector, suppose it is x2 corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equals to 1. Therefore in matrix notation we have, this is 5, here lambda is 1, this is 4, 1, here lambda is 1, this is x1, x2 equals to, this is 0, 0. After solving these relations, we have 4x1 plus 4x2 equals to 0 and x1 plus x2 equal to 0. After solving these homogeneous equations, we have x1 upon 1 equal to x2 upon minus 1. Suppose this is k1, where k1 is an arbitrary value. So therefore x2 equals to k2, this is minus k2. If you are putting k2 equal to 1, therefore x2 equal to 1 of minus 1, which is the required eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda equal to 1. Now we take another problem which is problem second. If lambda is an eigenvalue of a non-singular matrix A, this is Aij n by n. If lambda is an eigenvalue of a non-singular matrix A, then so that the eigenvalue adjoint of A is determinant of A upon lambda, where lambda is not equal to 0. Its solution is given by, here lambda is an eigenvalue of a non-singular matrix, therefore here determinant of A is not equal to 0, or A is a square matrix of order n by n. So therefore by the definition of invertible matrix we have A inverse equal to I equal to A inverse A, where I is a unit matrix of order n by n, because here A is a square matrix of order n by n. Again, again we have determinant of a minus lambda I equals to 0. Here A is a given matrix and lambda denotes the eigenvalue of the given matrix A. This can be written as, using this relation in this equation we have, this is lambda, I can be written as A inverse this equals to 0. This can be written as, this is determinant of A minus here we write A is AI, where I is a unit matrix of order n by n, minus this can be written as lambda A. By applying the definition of inverse matrix, we have inverse of A equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A is equal to 0. This can be written as, after taking the common A and lambda with negative sign upon determinant of A, we have adjoint of A minus, this is determinant of A upon lambda I n, this equals to 0. This can be written as, determinant of A minus lambda upon determinant of A and adjoint of A minus determinant of A upon lambda I n equals to 0. Since determinant of A is not equal to 0 and lambda is not equal to 0, therefore adjoint of A minus determinant of A upon lambda I n equals to 0. Which shows that, this equation shows that determinant of A upon lambda is an eigenvalue of adjoint of A. Hence proved. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.